The discussion forum is a place at Cambridge College Online where we communicate with other students, we communicate with our teachers, it's an exchange of ideas, and some teachers call it a course forum, some teachers call it a discussion board, some call it a discussion forum. The animated character in the upcoming video will show you all the ins and outs of how to use the discussion forum.
In this video, you'll learn how to complete a course forum assignment. I'll show you where a topic can be posted, as well as how to reply to another student's post. You'll then learn how to see if you have completed all of the requirements for the assignment. So let's get to it. Wherever you are within your course, select the coursework page. Here you'll be able to view any open assignments. In this case, there's a class participation assignment that needs to be completed. Clicking on the link will take me to the assignment information page. As you can see here, the top of a forum assignment information page will let you know which forum you need to post in for this assignment. For this example, post and replies must be made in the Week 2 forum. You can click on this link to take you directly to the forum, but we'll go over the rest of the information on this page first. The next section on this page has the assignment instructions and grading criteria. As you can see here, the instructor is requiring one post and one reply from each student. A post is an original message that gets a conversation started within a forum. A reply involves commenting within that conversation, whether it's to the original post or someone else's reply. You can also see the assignment is worth 10 points. Further down the page, all of the work that's been completed for this assignment is shown. Any eligible posts or replies you've made will show up here. Now let's scroll back up to the top and select the Week 2 forum link. At this time, no posts have been made to this forum, so let's go ahead and change that. Select Add a Post. On this page, we'll begin by entering a subject. This will be just a quick description about the post you'll be writing. Next, I'll quickly enter a post in this text field. It can be formatted using any of these options. Below the post text field, I can also add any file that might relate to the topic. Once you feel that your post has been completed, it's always a good idea to preview it. Previewing the post allows you to see how the post will appear in the forum. You'll want to verify your formatting and be sure that any included pictures and links are all working properly. Once you are satisfied with your content, select the Submit button. Now you can see your post. Since we also want to reply to someone else's post, let's go out to the Week 2 forum by selecting this link in the forum breadcrumb trail. It looks like Mandy Parker has posted a comment, so let's click on the title to read the post. Once I understand the point she is making, I'll choose the Reply button. Now I can respond to her post here. When replying to a post, you have all the same options as you did when creating your post. If you would like to quote another person's post or reply in this thread, simply select the Quote button. The quote will then appear in your reply text field wherever your cursor is located. Now, once you have created your reply, preview it and then choose Submit. Now you can see your reply to Mandy's post. To see if you have successfully completed the assignment, go back to the coursework page. Select the assignment, and then scroll to the bottom of the page to see if you have completed all of the requirements. And there you have it. Now you have successfully completed a course forum assignment. I've taught you where to post a topic, as well as how to reply to another student's post. You've also learned to see if you have completed all of the requirements for the assignment. Thanks for watching.